Warning, what you're about to see may cause intense cravings for spaghetti. However, don't be fooled, this isn't your typical spaghetti recipe with plain old ground beef. We've mixed things up a bit. All of the ingredients are in the description as well as a link to add them to your shopping list. Let's begin by peeling our garlic. Now I'm going to cut the onion into chunks. I'm going to throw the onions and garlic into the emulsion blender attachment, which I'm going to link in the description below. Now to throw in a little bit of lemon juice just to cut the bite of the onion. Now it's time for the emulsion blender to work its magic on the onions and garlic. Now that the oven is preheated, I will put the sausage in to cook. Now to sauce things up. To begin, add oil and butter to the pan to saute the onions and garlic. Let's go ahead and add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. In this recipe, I've added carrots instead of sugar to counteract the acidity of the tomatoes. Now on to the herbs. I've got oregano, thyme, and basil. Let's amp up the garlic with some garlic salt. Let's pour our sauce on the al dente noodles. Now we're going to give that a nice little mix, and we're going to garnish our plate with some Parmesan cheese and some sweet Italian sausage. Spaghetti is a really delicious dish, especially when you make it with fresh herbs. And Italian sausage just takes it to a whole new level. Taste the difference by making it at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Next, I am on a mission to recreate the KFC famous bowl in under 30 minutes. Think I can do it? Watch this next video to find out.